we're back at it, back out in the field. It finally dried off enough where we could get going again. Really doesn't seem too wet out here, but we're back at it. I thought the next couple weeks was going to be dry. Now it looks like there's an 80% chance of rain on Saturday, so might get a couple days off here at the end of the week again. Been working a little bit on the project truck. I didn't record any of it, just wanted to get it done. I put a new harmonic balancer on it, which proved to do nothing. I got the old one off and I thought I had found the source of vibration. The rubber on that harmonic balancer was all cracked and felt really soft. So I went and bought a new one, put it on, and it didn't make any difference. The vibration I'm feeling really comes and goes. Like this morning when I drove it, didn't vibrate at all. Yesterday I drove it and there was one time where it vibrated pretty bad and other times not so bad. The speedometer is bouncing a little bit and so is the tachometer. I cleaned off the speed sensor in the rear differential. It had a little bit of crud on it. Didn't seem to make any difference whatsoever. And the tachometer seems to respond perfectly when you're in park or neutral. But when you drive down the road, you can watch it lag and kind of jump around a little bit. So I don't know what's up with that. Might need to pull the cluster back out and make sure all the connections are connected. But won't be able to do any of that for the next couple of weeks, probably, well, unless it rains on Saturday. But we just got into this field. It's not a very big field. It's only 40 acres. And we got these air vents blowing on my camera again. Got these air vents. There's one up here, then there's one over here, and one there, and one there, one back here, one over here, one down there, also one under that shelf. Makes it kind of hard to keep air from blowing on the camera. I do have a little case on it this morning, so maybe that will help. Got the combine coming and the auger wagon is getting filled, and I think I will have my wagon filled up here momentarily. And then off to unload it. Get this old girl fired up. and back to the field we go. That wagon came out, and evidently the door was open on the wagon when they started filling it. Dumped a little bit of corn out on the ground. Well, we've pretty much got this field wrapped up. Last pass down through the field wherever they are. I can't see on my camera very good. Gonna get this done, and then we're heading over to a field that we were in right before it started raining. I think it was a couple videos ago. We got rained out. We're going back to that field. We think we can go. It might be too wet. Warming up outside. It's supposed to be 72 today. Feels like we're already at 72. Either that or the sun is just really hot. Well, I know the sun is hot, but you know what I mean. Well, that other wagon just left the field. That was a little wet right there. Didn't have a very big load on. If it would have been a full load, might have a little bit of an issue there. So I pulled in the driveway and went this way. Came back around, well, like I am here, see if we can just pull right out. So got to start hauling up to this bin site. The wet bin that we're dumping into down at the other one is getting full right now. So got to go here. There's a few things I have to do here. You'll see. Get this tractor fired up, get the corn rolling. Doesn't smell too good either. Running in kind of slow right now. Bin tends to get a little low over on that side. We're just going to dump it right where it is, I think. Need to look in here. I don't even know if you can see in here, if you can see the leveler up there. It's a homemade leveler and it spins around. Right now the bin gets a little low over in this area. If I hit this jock button, it'll rotate it just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. Then once we get it kind of a little more corn over in that area, just come down here. Should be able to just turn it on, that switch out there. And then it'll throw corn around and around and around. Kind of throws it out here, bangs it against the wall a little bit. Does a pretty decent job. And you can speed it up and down out here. Right now it's set on 48. But you can speed it up and down so it throws it out farther, or in closer to the center. It works. See if you can see it now. I'm just holding that jog button. Go over here and turn it on. Should be able to hear it throwing corn out against the wall of the bin if it's running. Doesn't really seem like it's running. It's not. There we go. Now you can hear it as it goes around. It throws it against the outside wall. So now you gotta turn the fan on. Well, we'll see if this thing will stay running today. Let's see, you gotta come over here, turn the fan on. Turn the burner on. Thing should light here momentarily. Then you gotta turn the heat up by turning this. Once the burner kicks on, we'll turn that, and then the next couple times to come up, we'll have to check the temperature. Really windy here. I don't know if you can hear me. Burner just kicked on, so I'm gonna turn this a couple turns. Probably about like that. And then we'll keep checking the temperature down here. We want it up to about 140, 50, somewhere in there. Somewhere between 140 and 160. Gotta go check the wagon. Well, it's still there. At least that's good. I can probably speed this up a little now. Perfect. I'm not sure how much wind noise I'm picking up on this. This may not turn out very good. I'm gonna go back over here and check the temperature again. And we're gonna be up to 120 pretty quick. I'll check it again before I leave, and then probably have to adjust it again when I come back. And then before long, we'll have to turn all this stuff on. Wagon's about empty, so I probably won't be checking that temperature again until I come back. And away we go. Seems like we just did this. Go check the temperature on that fan or on the burner. Temperature 124. Oh, we need to turn that up a little more. I think you can kind of see on the threads here where it was before. I might turn it like that, see what that does. Well, it looks like our neighbor up here, looks like they were leaking some hydraulic fluid or something. Leaked it all the way down this road. Pulls in over here. One of them red tractors. Well, we're knocking this field out. Not a whole lot left over here. I don't know if we're gonna try to finish this up tonight or not. I think our wet bins are about as full as we're gonna get them for the night. The combine and auger wagon are off that direction somewhere. I can't see them right now. Well, I've got my little dome light on over here. Otherwise, I don't think you'd be able to see me real good. I'd kind of just look like a shadow. But it's dark. We've been going for a while now. This is going to be my last load for tonight. Our wet bins are all getting full, so I am going to conclude this video right here. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.